Good. Are you by the counter? This for you're not you are not by the counter. This for you are okay. Alright. Right, they are all not there. There's just a guy and this other lady. You should just video it. Because if they say it's not ready, then you just say it's for Bevanga. They might have put it in my picture more. Oh, because I spoke to her and she said she's not in front. Maybe she just came to get something because I think she's working from the back. Yeah, but she was talking to someone there. Maybe she just rushed. But then they will also help you. Quotas will also help you. Then if they are saying they can't find it, you just say it's for Bevanga. Maybe it's in her pigeonhole.